Our theme this year was Stand Up, Speak Up, Stop the Hate. And we talked about it in the club, the Multicultural Club, looking at all the things that have been going on in our society, some of the hate, and we decided we need to just stick with this theme. And the video clips that we did reflected, honored some of the people who've been lost in different tragedies in our country. Tried to keep the music, all the different acts, songs, trying to blend in with that theme of being together, being a community, of working together and stopping the hate.
I look for a future where we stand together, united, bonded, hand in hand by love. Everywhere I look, I see a smile, diverse in its own way. I close my eyes and I picture a better life, a life of happiness, but most importantly, equality, but not for me, for us. It may take a while, and that's okay, but it'll happen. With your help, you can make my dream our dream.
Today, they'll judge you for your color, they'll judge you for your lover, praise you for one thing, and kill you for another. Why can't we all just get along? Every single day on papers, on TV, someone is dead. It could have been you or me.
If you're ready, we can change the world. Believe again, it starts within. You don't have to wait for destiny. You can be the change that we want to see. If you're out there, sing along with me. If you're out there, no more broken promises, no more call to war, unless it's love and peace that we're really fighting for. With everything, feel every day, only for casually. We're different and the same, here we switch up the melody. I believe in the future, sparks of light in our youth. I have a dream. We're all God's children. When we're cut, we all bleed. It's time that we rectify this with tolerance. We will be free. Lost all sense of control. Was grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved.
Me make it bounce on the left, bounce on the right. Two of them together, man, I watch me all night. Boom on the boom, me make it bounce. What a sight! Yeah, bounce up, make it bounce up, make it bounce up, bounce up, make it bounce up, make it bounce up.
I've been doing something for Dr. King celebration since the 70s, when we used to do a district-wide celebration, and then we started doing it at the high school. So it's been a good 30 years. The students are so talented here, and I let students sign up. They volunteer. I put out an announcement. They sign up to be on the program. But I like the idea that we have students from all different backgrounds who participate. There are teachers who say, I never expected to see this child on the program. So they're in, they're not just the kids who take PACE or professional. They are kids who represent all different groups here, and that I like. Stand up, speak up, and stop the hate.